Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Sandy and today's video is going to be a cleaning video after COVID. So the virus hit my home and so now I've got to clean and sanitize everything in the house from top to bottom. And so this is a full home clean with me video with a special emphasis on sanitizing everything. So I'm going to start off with spraying this Neutra Air Lysol in the house, and then I'm going to use the Lysol to spray my surfaces and everything. I'm actually going to be cleaning some of the surfaces with Bissell cleaner. Yeah, just a whole bunch of stuff. So just stick around and enjoy the video. I think I probably sprayed a little too much because when I got through, I couldn't even breathe with all that Lysol. But I wanted to get everything sanitized. So I'm taking all the laundry out of the bathroom, the rugs, towels, things like that to get them a good hot wash on the sanitation cycle in the washer using the sanitizer. I think it's Clorox sanitizer, laundry sanitizer. That's what I'm using in there to make sure that they get nice and clean, and my Persil, which is what I use for all of my laundry.
Should have found a way to pay it back, but forget what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain, drown the pain until it all wash away, from the night to the day you dream, you forgive my mistake, it becomes a
I don't know why I didn't just bring my caddy up with my cleaning supplies, but I didn't.
from the night to the day you dream away. Who needs a heart that tears apart, ruminating cycles me back at the start, time and time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself, so I fade to black. But forget what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain, drown the pain until it all wash away, from the night to the day you dream. You forgive my mistake, it becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame, from the night to the day you dream
The bathroom was disgusting because it had not been cleaned in about 2 weeks. So I used some Fabuloso antibacterial in here to get everything nice and sanitized. And then I also had some Method antibacterial multi-purpose cleaner that I used as well.
from the night to the day. You forgive my mistake, it becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame, from the night to the day.
Now my glass cleaner of choice is Sprayway, but for whatever reason I had this, I think this probably came from the Dollar Tree or Dollar General. It ain't no good, but that's what I had up here. So I went ahead and cleaned my glass surfaces, but I did go back later on with my Sprayway to get all the streaks out. For the tub, I'm using the Mr. Clean antibacterial spray to clean the tub surfaces as well as the tile. I'm using my Shark steamer to clean and sanitize my floors. I really do not like the tile that's in this bathroom. This is the same tile that's also in my master bathroom. It always looks so much dirtier than what it is. It's so hard to keep the grout clean. And also the pad on my Shark cleaner is actually clean straight out of a washing machine, but they just do not come clean. I have the hardest time. I need to just replace them so that they at least look clean. It just looks nasty, but they're clean, trust me. And I'm gonna have to deal with this floor because that grout is killing me. I cannot stand it. I'm gonna eventually get down on my hands and knees with a brush and clean this grout with some Awesome from the Dollar Tree. Love that stuff. Now I'm putting some cotton balls in the bottom of my trash can with some lemongrass essential oil just to have some nice fragrance in the bathroom. And so, yeah, I saw that on TikTok or somewhere. I don't know, but I thought I'd give it a try. And now the rugs are clean so they can go back down here on the floor. Off camera, I'd also washed my shower curtains, replaced the liner, and put the curtains and the shower curtains back up. The towels are all nice and fresh and clean, and so I'm putting everything back. I decided to take advantage of this opportunity to go ahead and seal my granite because I had not done that in a while, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on. You leave it on for 30 minutes and then just wipe it off. And it would not be me if I didn't take advantage of this time to go ahead and do a little bit of decorating. So I replaced the artwork in here. I put this one in here. I put some hand towels there and also this thrifted vase and some soaps, hand soap and lotion in here because I'm expecting guests soon. So I just wanted to go ahead and get this bathroom all ready for guests. All right, so I've got this little, what is this called? A little green Bissell machine. I actually borrowed this from my son and daughter-in-law. It's a Pro Heat thing. Never used it before, but I'm gonna give it a try and try to clean this upholstery because, you know, when you lounge around on your furniture a lot, it just kind of needs a refreshing. So we're gonna give this a shot. Now, we experiment together because I've never used this, so let's get it. Ooh, it's got a long cord on it, which is good because that means I can move around. I actually have bought one of these things before years ago on a Black Friday. They had them on sale for like $39 and I bought it and then changed my mind and took it back. And I've regretted it ever since because I know they would be good for little upholstery and little cleanups if you have a pet, whatever. But anyway, let me stop talking. Let me get to work because I'm just stalling, child, just stalling. Now, when I got this from them, they had a little bit of upholstery cleaner, carpet and upholstery cleaner in here, just a little bit that was left. I went ahead and filled it up with just some vinegar and water, and that's what I'm using. I know that to be tried and true, and so since I'm using this on upholstery for the first time, I know vinegar is not going to hurt it. So it turned out very, very nice. I was very impressed with this. Loved it.
When it gets hard, I stay on my job, like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on, jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, way.
Now, this area here is the most embarrassing spot in my house. This is around my front door. It gets so nasty. And so I'm going through now and vacuuming, getting any cobwebs or anything like that or any removable dust out with my vacuum. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean these baseboards with some Mr. Clean cleaner, which I find to be the best thing to use for this. Yeah, so this is work that I dread doing. I absolutely despise this. And my house needs to be painted. It's about 4 years old, and yeah, it just needs to be painted. So next year is the year that the whole house is going to get painted. But until then, I have to wash walls, baseboards, and all of that kind of stuff to try to keep it as nice as I can.
Working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better.
And I am not gonna lie, because I can't anyway, because you can look at this and tell it's probably been a minute since I've done this. The last time I did it was spring cleaning. It's long overdue. I need to do this at least once every 6 weeks, and I have been very, very negligent, but I'm gonna do better because it just makes more work for me when I do get around to it. But I'm using this brush here, and it is coming clean, so that's a good thing. But trust and believe, it will not be that long before I tackle this job again next time. Now, I wish I could say some kids did this to my chair, but they didn't, because I don't allow my grandchildren to sit up here because these are kind of high up. I don't want them climbing up there and hurting themselves. These are adult crumbs here that I'm cleaning up. But I'm going to go ahead and get it cleaned up and spot cleaned so that the chairs look nice again. Guys, that's all I have. I have no more, literally. I'm so tired. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not currently subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And if you're returning family, welcome back. I thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you all over here on my next video. Bye-bye.